Imagine starting a business, but you could fast forward 1 year. Where would you be? What would you be doing? And how much money would you be making? Trust me, stick till the end. What's up everybody, Vale here. It has been a few weeks since we filmed the last video, and let me tell you, it feels good to be back. This year has just been so amazing, and I'm so thankful that you guys are here to watch the journey and to learn for yourselves. I also just want to give a big thank you to all of the new subscribers that have recently joined us. And if you're not subscribed, make sure that you do so, because this channel is meant to help you guys start a business, make a lot more money, and live life the right way. And I know what some of you guys might be thinking. What does this 20-year-old know? Well, 1.5 years ago, my best friend and I started our own video editing business. We really had no idea what we were doing when we were first getting started, but let me tell you, we were committed. Fast forward to now, we have around 30 employees and the company's doing over $1 million a year. And let me tell you, I'm not the smartest person in the room, but if I can do it, so can you. So recently, I've been getting a ton of messages over on my Instagram from you guys wanting to know what would I do if I had to start over again. So this led me to an idea. Rather than starting over, what if I give you guys my top 3 biggest mistakes that would have saved me so much time if I was starting from the beginning again? So with that being said, let's get started with number 1. Not looking professional from the beginning. I know. This is probably one of the hardest ones to do when you're first getting started, because money is sometimes a big factor. But don't let that fool you. There are so many things that you can do right now, no matter if you have money or not, that can make you and your business look professional. Nowadays, almost everything and everyone is on the internet. There is no big company that is not on social media. So if the big companies are looking very professional on social media, you should be doing the same. There are actually a lot of great apps that you can use when getting started, and here's my favorite one. Canva is a great example. I'm taking this template right here and adding my own touches, and boom! There are literally so many templates that you can use to save you a bunch of time. And if you have more money to spend, I recommend hiring a social media manager that can do all of this for you. And if you're looking for a social media manager, go ahead and click the link in my description and schedule a call with my team to see if we're the right fit for you. Either way, you can make super good looking posts that make your brand stand out. On top of that, you can't really have a business without a website. So I really do recommend having a good website, and there doesn't have to be much to it. Just make sure the information gets across to your customer, and that's all you need. Something that I like to say is think about the things that you look at when you're buying a product. Is it their social medias, their website, or anything else? The big thing is you don't want to do all of these at once. Focus on one at a time and then move on to the next. And a quick funny story, a customer who did call me out ended up signing up with us a year later because we did have a website. And that's just a quick example as to what a good looking website and a good looking social media can do for you. And that leads me on to mistake number 2, and that is being around the wrong people. Now, I'll be honest with this one. I knew this one before I did get starting on my business, but now I literally have the best people around me. Only the people that will benefit my life, not drag it down. This is just such a good one that I didn't want to just pass it on. Now, let's pause for a minute. There's a saying that I learned from someone here at this office that says, you are the average of the 3 people around you, whether that's financially or personality-wise. Think about the 3 closest people in your life that aren't family. Do you want to be like them? If your answer is yes, that's fantastic and good for you. If your answer is no, I know they're good people, but they're not going to help you achieve the things you want to achieve in life. I actually started doing this in high school, and at the time this was very hard to do, to just drop a lot of my friends, but I'm so thankful I did this because now I get to surround myself with the best people that can benefit my life. Surrounding yourself with the winners in life doesn't mean you have to completely get rid of everybody else. It just means you have to reach out to new people and try and be around them a little more. And I'll be honest, I probably went the more extreme route by literally cutting out everybody else, but I'm thankful with my decision because now I really get to focus on those who support the journey. Plus, when you grow your business and start to make more money, a lot of people tend to try and come back in your life. And because of what I'm telling you right now, I'm actually very fortunate to know who the good people and the real people in my life are. And finally, mistake number 3, and that is not knowing your competitors and why you're better. When you're first getting started, this is your chance to create a great product or a great service right from the beginning. Your competitors don't know who you are, so think about the things that you can do better and why your company would be better. You don't just want to do what your competitors are already doing, you always want to have some sort of advantage over your competitors. This is actually something I learned from Elon Musk that is very, very valuable to me. Be the best from the beginning. On top of that, you cannot go into this blind. You have to know what your competitors offer, and you need to know what you can do to be better. And trust me, from personal experience, you will get calls from customers asking why your product or service is better than your competitors. And when you get this question, you have to know how to answer it. I wanted to keep this last one short because it's as simple as that. Be the best and have a big advantage over your competitors. So there you have it, my top 3 mistakes that would have saved me so much time if I would have done these things from the beginning. I know the second one wasn't really my mistake, but I know that if you guys apply this to your life, you will have a huge advantage in as little as a year. And if you do have any questions, make sure to comment down below or head on over to my Instagram and shoot me a DM. I love getting to interact with you guys and helping you answer your questions. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys got something out of this video, but I'll see you guys in the next video.